Assalamu alaikum students, class 7. Today we have to start our new chapter, chapter number 18, that is volume and surface area. What is volume and what is surface area? First of all, look at this diagram. This is cuboid, this is square, this is a simple line and this is a simple dot. Okay. This dot on the paper has only one dimension. Okay, this line indicates only its length, so it has only one dimension. This is a square, it has length and it is as well as breadth, so it has two dimension. This is a cuboid, like length, breadth and height, so this is three dimension. Three-dimensional objects, cubes and spheres are three-dimensional objects because they have depth as well as length and breadth. We are surrounded by 3D objects. These all are examples of three-dimensional objects. 3D solid differs from a two-dimensional figure because it occupies a certain amount of space, which is called its volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by an object. The area of the surfaces of the 3D solid is known as its surface area. The surface area of a three-dimensional object is the sum of the areas of each of its surfaces. Like, this is a volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by an object, and to know that about the surface area, let us example. अगर एक गिफ्ट को पैक करना हो, एक गिफ्ट को हमें रैप करना है, तो जितना कवर हमें उसको जितना मतलब पेपर हमें चाहिए होगा उसको कवर करने के लिए वो उसका सरफेस एरिया होगा. लेट्स सपोज this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle and this is a rectangle. There are 6 rectangles. The sum of all the areas of 6 rectangles is known as surface area. Volume and surface of a cube. As square, surface as a square, all lengths of a cube are same. So if the length, breadth and height of a rectangular solids are equal, the figure is a cube. जैसा कि हमने कहा था कि अगर लेंथ और ब्रेथ सेम होगी तो वो एक स्क्वायर होगा. इसी तरह से अगर लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट of a rectangular solids are equal, so this figure is known as cube. So volume of a cube is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, and as in cube, length is equal to breadth and breadth is equal to height. So L multiplied by L multiplied by L, that is equal to L cube. So volume of a cube is equal to L cube. Now total surface area of a cube. We have to find the total surface area of a cube. 2, this is the formula of total surface area. 2 into length multiplied by breadth, because we have read this. There are 6 rectangles. So the formula of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So there is a height. So length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus length multiplied by height overall multiplied by 2. But in a cube, length is equal to breadth and breadth is equal to height. So 2 length multiplied by length, breadth का मतलब length multiplied by length and length multiplied by length. So they are equals to 2 into length multiplied by length, L square, L square, L square, 3 times L square, 3 times L square, 6 L square. So total surface area of a cube is equals to 6 L square. Now volume and surface area of a cuboid. The length, breadth and height of a rectangular solid are known as its dimension, and they are all different. When the dimension of a rectangular solid are not equal to one another, the figure is called as cuboid. अगर वो equal हो जाएंगे तो वो cube होगा, length, breadth, height, और अगर वो equal नहीं होगा तो वो cuboid होगा. So volume of a cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, L, B, H, and total surface of area of a cube is cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, where L is equal to length, B is equal to breadth, and H is equal to height. Okay students, now we have to talk about the units of measurement. This unit explains the use of the square units when writing the surface area of a cube and cuboid. We always use square units for the surface area because we have learned that areas are always measured in square units. And for volume, we have to use cubic units like 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So the volume of the cube is 1 centimeter cube. Look at these examples. A cube and a cuboid each has 6 faces and 6 sides. 6 faces जो हमारे सामने हैं and 3 faces जो हमारे सामने हैं and 3 faces जो hidden है. Total has 6 faces and 6 sides. To find the total surface area of the 4 walls of a cuboid room of length L, breadth B and height H, we just need to find the area of 2 adjacent walls and multiply it by 2. for a cuboid to length plus breadth into height. Standard units of volume. The most convenient unit of volume is the cubic meters, which is a solid region. Centimeter cube, cubic centimeter, which is a solid region formed by a cube of side 1 centimeter. But the SI unit of length is a meter. The solid region formed by a cube of side 1 meter is known as a meter cube, and its volume is 1 meter cube. Okay students, we have to start our questions relevant to the topic. Exercise 18A, find the volume and the total surface area of a cuboid whose dimensions are 2 meter, 80 centimeter and 60 centimeter. Meter and centimeter are not same units. So we have to convert centimeter into meters, and as we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 over 100 meter. So we have to divide 80 and 100. 80 over 100, we get the answer 0.8 meters and 0.6 meter. So length of a cuboid is 2 meter. Breadth of a cuboid is equal to 0.8 meter and height of a cuboid is equal to 0.6 meter. So volume of a cuboid, length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So 2 multiplied by 0.8 multiplied by 0.6. We get the answer 0.96 meter cube. Now we have to find the total surface area of a cuboid, and the formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So L is equal to 2, B is equal to 0.8 plus B is equal to 0.8, height is equal to 0.6 plus length is equal to 2 and height is equal to 0.6. 2 into 0.8 is equal to 1.6, 0.8 into 0.6, 0.48, 2 and 0.6 multiplication is 1.2. So the addition is 3.28 and the product is 6.56 meters square is the total surface area of a cuboid, and 0.96 meter cube is the volume of a cuboid. Question number 2 is find the volume and total surface area of a cube whose edge is 1.5 meter. Only one dimension is given, because we know that in a cube all dimensions are equal. So length of an edge of a cube L is equal to 1.5 meter. Volume of a cube, all dimensions are equal. So length multiplied by length multiplied by length, 1.5 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 1.5, and we get the answer 3.375 meter cube after their multiplication. Now total surface area of a cube, all dimensions are equal. So 6L square is the formula of the total surface area of a cube, and L is equal to 1.5 and their square is 2.25 and the product is 13.5 meter square. So 13.5 meter square is the total surface area of a cube whose edge is 1.5 meter, and 3.375 meter cube is the volume of a cube whose edge is 1.5 meter.